Have you ever thought about freelancing but stopped yourself because you felt like you didn't have any in-demand skills? I hear this all the time. People will message me and say, I'm interested in freelancing, but I don't have any skills. And I get why people feel that way. When you look online at freelancers, it can feel like everyone's either like a web developer or a designer or doing something like super technical. And it makes it seem like you need years of experience before anyone is ever going to actually hire you. But freelancing doesn't have to start that way. It certainly didn't for me. A lot of freelancers get their first clients doing really, really simple tasks, things that businesses don't want to deal with themselves. Not complicated work, just things that actually take time. And by taking those tasks off of business owners' plates, you're helping them focus on the parts of their business that actually make them money. Things like sales, marketing, and growth. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through 7 freelance services you can offer right now, even if you feel like you have no experience. But real quick, if we haven't met yet, hey, I'm Shannon, founder of Virtual Career Academy. I share tips and resources to help you work from home and earn an income completely on your own terms. Take a second to hit subscribe so you don't miss any new videos I'll be sharing each week. All right, let's get into it. The first service is admin support. This is one of the most common ways beginners start in freelancing. Basically, you help businesses with behind the scenes stuff, things that keep them organized, like updating spreadsheets, formatting documents, uploading files, organizing folders, or scheduling appointments. And if you notice ways to make their workflow smoother, you're not just completing tasks for them, you're helping the business run more efficiently, which will make you someone they'll want to involve in bigger projects or work with you on an ongoing basis. Second service is inbox management. Lots of entrepreneurs get dozens, sometimes hundreds of emails a day. You can help by sorting emails, flagging the important ones, archiving what doesn't matter, or drafting simple replies. Keeping their inbox under control means they can focus on the work that actually grows their business. And if done well, they'll start to see you as a trusted part of their daily operation. The third service is social media scheduling. Many businesses create content, but they don't want to handle posting on a consistent basis. So you could schedule out posts for them. You could add captions, make sure everything goes out on time. Doing this reliably not only keeps their audience engaged, but it also gives them confidence that their brand stays visible, which is exactly what they need to grow their business. The fourth service is Pinterest management. Pinterest can drive a lot of traffic, but it requires consistency. You can create pins, upload them, and schedule them so business owners don't have to spend hours doing that. If you start noticing which pins perform best and adjust accordingly, you're actually helping drive results that directly impact that business's growth, which is huge. The fifth service is Canva graphics. You don't have to be a pro designer to do this. Canva makes it super easy to create pins, social media graphics, presentations, or PDFs. If your designs are clean and they're on brand and they save the business owner time, you're improving the way their audience experiences their business, which makes their content look more professional and polished. Now, the sixth service is data entry. Simple stuff like moving info into spreadsheets, uploading product details, or updating customer lists. Accuracy and efficiency is really what matters most here. When you make sure things are done right and on time, you're reducing errors and you're saving the business stress, which is something every business owner will notice and appreciate. And the seventh service is customer support. So a lot of businesses need help with replying to emails, answering chat messages, or handling simple order questions. Usually they'll provide scripts to you, so you're just following the process, but being friendly, prompt, and proactive, it actually improves their customer experience, which can then lead to repeat sales, positive reviews for their business, and even a 5-star testimonial for you, and that helps build your reputation as a reliable freelancer as well. Now, the main thing to remember is that you don't need to offer all 7 of these services. Most freelancers start with just, a few services, 2 to 3. The key is picking something that is simple, packaging it as a service, and starting to offer it to businesses that need help. And that's exactly what I help people do inside Freelance Fast Track. Freelance Fast Track gives you a clear step-by-step plan to choose your services, package it up, and launch your freelance business in 30 days. So if you've been thinking about freelancing, but you feel stuck because you don't have any skills, this program is designed to actually get you moving and help you earn an income from this in 30 days. You can check out Freelance Fast Track through the link below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I share new videos every week to help you build a freedom-based business. I'll see you in the next video.